What's going on, YouTube family? How y'all doing? This is Dr. Crypto coming to you once again. I'm super excited to be on here today because I'm about to talk about Metamonkey AI. Come on, guys. What y'all doing? What y'all doing? Please do me a favor and subscribe, like, and share this video. I'm excited today because Metamonkey AI has come out with their first utility, the PureWallet, which is an online offline wallet. I'm not going to be doing all of the talking. I have a video here from Awesome Austin's YouTube channel where he has the CEO Augustine demoing how to use the wallet. Now, keep in mind, guys, this is a version 1, which is a beta testing version of the wallet. All you can do right now is move around ETH from an online to an offline state. So he's going to go over how to do that, and then I'll come back and close the video. But do me a favor, remember to subscribe, like, and share the video. And if you have an Android phone, because this first version is for Android users, go through the process, download the app, see if you can do some things with it, and give them some feedback on our website. All right. Without further ado, here you go.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. Okay,
all right, here you go.
I'm going to start off. Okay, so let me back up for a second. So you're on the Play Store. You download the app. The app is on your phone, and you go to launch it. The first thing that's going to happen when you launch it is you're going to get to a screen that's going to ask you to input your private key from your MetaMask account. So you're going to have to log onto your MetaMask on your computer, and you're going to have to extract that private key. Once you extract it, you can paste it into your phone. And once you get in the phone, so if you look at the one on the right, there's nothing exciting happening there. And I'm going to tell you right now, everyone that does this, you're going to be like, as soon as you hit log in, you're ending up on this screen. So something with us launching this, I never had this issue with the testing, but the image that's supposed to be here, it's just not visible. So the team in Korea already knows about it. They're fixing it. We'll get it updated. So that fix will be there. By the way, guys, when most of you already know this, when you have an app on your phone and you want to update it, you could always go back into the Google Play Store, and it'll either ask you to download it. If you don't have it on your phone, it'll ask you to update. So you could always click update. And then for people that do have the phone installed and they don't go there to update it from time to time, you'll be asked when you launch an app, would you like to update the app? So you can always get the latest update. But when you see this white screen, just know we're aware of it. We'll get it fixed. But we have 3 screens here. If you just scroll to the left, you get to the second screen. You can skip this. There's a third screen here. When you click done, this is where it's going to get you into your, this is your main wallet screen here. So let me just point out a couple of things on the screen. So up here where it says the 0.0048, this is your token wallet. Okay, so this is the balance that I have in tokens on this wallet, and that's the balance I have in tokens on that wallet. Okay, so you can see there's nothing that's been tokenized here. Over here, I've got 0.0048 that's tokenized. Beneath it is this number right here that says wallet balance. So this is your ETH balance. You can see I logged into 2 different wallets. Okay, you can see the addresses are different than this. I want people to be careful. If you try to test this yourself and you have 2 phones, do not log in with the same private key on both phones, because then goofy things can happen. It's not meant for anyone to have 2 phones with the same app with the same private key on both of them. You want to use 2 different ones. I'll probably put a feature in there that won't let you log into 2 different Pure wallets with the same private key at the same time. But if you try testing it like that, you'll probably get some weird things happening. Just know it shouldn't be used that way. So this is what your wallet balance is. Now, anytime you take something and you top up, and I'll show you the top up in a second, you move it up here, you'll notice that this balance won't change immediately, because it takes a little time for that. Everyone knows that's used Ethereum. There's a transaction time that has to go through. but it will eventually go through. There is a refresh button that you can always hit to see if it's been moved, but from time to time, you'll notice the wallet will refresh itself. Top up list. So these are tokens that I've already taken off of my my Ethereum wallet and put into my ETH wallet, and these are the amounts. These are received tokens. So I sent a couple of tokens earlier, and then I redeemed them. So that put it into my ETH wallet. So that's why they show redeemed successful. I do want to talk about. I had a thought that I wanted to cover, but it kind of escapes me. But I'm sure it'll pop up in my mind again. So there's a UI issue that I have with this wallet right now, but I'm going to point it out to you. We put it out there like this, but we are going to address this. This little arrow on the right-hand side, that's how you send tokens to someone, and this $ is how you would redeem it back from the token wallet into your ETH wallet. So they're very close to each other, and if you're not careful hitting the button correctly, you wouldn't know. But this is to send it, and this is to redeem it back. Oh, I know what I wanted to talk about. Okay, so here's another thing that we need to address in this wallet, and we already know how to fix it, and it's already going to be fixed in version 2. But right now, okay, just remember, you can only convert from ETH wallet to token wallet when you have internet connection. You cannot do that portion offline. That has to be done online because that gets written into the Ethereum chain, into the blockchain. So that's why you need to have that online connection in order to do that. Currently, you have to know how much Ethereum you're going to want to spend in the offline state. So if Austin told me, hey, dude, you owe me a 0.25 Ethereum, then I'm going to see him later. We're hiking up in the mountains or something. There's no internet connection. I can move that 0.25 into my wallet, and I can do that. But if you're like, living in Indonesia and you plan on meeting up with some friends to have some street food, and there's not going to be an internet connection there, well, you don't know how much that street food vendor is going to charge you for his food. So you need to be able to pick the value when you're in the offline state. So that's not available right now, but I just want everyone to know that will be there in V2, and that's the way it'll work. So right now you have to convert the exact amount you're going to want to pay someone. All right, so down below, you're going to see the My Wallet. That's the page we're on right now. You're going to see in transaction, there's a top up, and then there's a receive token. So this is basically all the functionalities and all the buttons and all the features that are on the wallet. Before I move away from this home screen and I get into the real presentation, Austin, any questions so far?
No, you're good, man. This is perfect. You're doing it perfectly.
Okay, cool. All right, so let's start with the top up. Okay, so I'm going to come into this wallet because you can see there's 0 ETH in this wallet. So let me go to top up and sorry. All right, so in here, I'm going to put an amount. Here's another user interface thing, user experience thing that I will address, but I'll show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to come in here. I'm going to go 0.012 ETH, right? And I'm going to hit top up, and you'll see what's going to happen. Okay, it's saying invalid input. You typed in 0.012. Please type in as 0.012. So we have that message in there right now. I don't think it should matter whether you type in 0.012 or you type in 0.012. It should accept it either way. So that'll be something else we get addressed. It's a user experience thing. But right now we have this message. So if you see this message, you'll understand why. All right, so then it just takes you back to the screen. It adds a 0 in front. It allows you to hit top up, and it's going to say notification, token top up successful. So basically, the PureWallet took that 012 ETH and it moved it into the token wallet. So it is inside the token wallet, but it has not been written on the on the Ethereum blockchain yet. So you're going to see it sit there for a little bit, and then you'll see it refresh itself, and then you'll see the balance change, both in here and also up there.
I had a quick question. So when you do that top up, you send it from your wallet into the top up wallet. You're not paying gas fees for that, right? It's just a transfer straight into the contract.
I believe when you're moving it from your Ethereum wallet into your token wallet, there is a gas fee, or it might be on the receiver's end. But let's see what happens when it changes, because I forgot exactly how that gas fee works, but we'll figure it out when it comes up here in just a second. All right, so while we're waiting for that, let me go into this transaction wallet right here. So when you're on the home page, it shows you this top-up list, but the top-up list is a lot longer, and you can scroll up and down, right? So if you go into the transaction page, it'll give you the longer list. And once again, we have the send, or we have, if you want to convert it back. So this is from my top-up list. This is not me that received a token from someone else. But let's say I did hook up with Austin and I didn't need to send them the token after all, and I want to move these tokens back into my my ETH wallet. I can just hit redeem token here. So that's why we have these two icons, the one that's the send tokens, and the one that'll take you to the redeem token. Okay, let me try top up on this wallet. Okay, I got 0.1, 0.23, 0.001. Okay, you can see it finally happened. So here it is. We've got the 0.012, and then that's been subtracted from the balance over here. And Austin, I didn't pay attention to the exact amount I had in here before. Otherwise, we would have known if there was any gas fee that got subtracted from there. But I'll go into Etherscan later and double check it and just update everyone.
That's what I was going to ask, if there's a way to go into Etherscan and take a look at it. So,
yeah. There isn't inside the wallet here, but that might be a feature we need to put into it. But yeah, I can definitely do it from my computer. But I'll do that a little bit later because I don't want to slow down the demo of this. Okay, so now you can see that this happened. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send this ETH from this wallet to this wallet, okay? And what I'll do is I'm going to go on airplane mode, which basically will take out my internet. Okay, so you guys can see I don't have any internet going on. I'm in airplane mode on both of these phones. So let me go back to my wallets here. Okay, so now I'm going to hit this arrow on the right. Just got to be careful. If you have big fat fingers like me, it might be a little tough. But you can hit send token here, and you can see on this phone it says receive token. So I'm going to hit send token here. So if you're next to someone, you can click on receive token. Right now we have you'll see some stuff pop up on the bottom. I kept it in there during the testing part in case someone's doing something, they can kind of see the steps that we're going through, but that'll be eventually taken off because it won't be in the real version. But you can see it found this device. That's my Samsung right here. So I'm going to hit connect. And when it does, now you can see that it's saying accept and accept on both phones. So I'll hit accept here. I'll hit accept here. And then it says send token. Once I hit send token, just pay attention to how fast it goes from this phone to that phone. So you can see, like, as soon as I hit send token, the message popped up, and that means the token has left this phone. It's gone to that phone. So I'm going to hit close here, and I'm going to hit close here. And now you'll see that over here, it's saying that I've received this 0.0012. And you can see over here, it still shows this balance of sitting in here, but you can see that the token's been sent. Let me hit refresh. Okay, we'll give that a second to refresh. Oh, you know what? Here's the thing. It's going to refresh when we go back online. So let me take both of these off airplane modes so we can go back online. So once the, sorry guys, I don't know what's going on here. This is ridiculous. I just went online, so I had, this is my secondary phone. I don't use this that often, but let me dismiss this stuff.
And here is, I thought I got spammed all the time. Wow.
All right. So, okay. So now once you were back online, you can see the token was sent. So you can't resend this by clicking on it. Okay. Because it's not, it's already been sent. And the stuff up here is not going to update until you have internet connection, because this information up here, it needs internet for it to update itself. So we'll give it a, you'll notice that 0.012 will disappear after a while, but you can see it's been sent here. Now over here, you can see where it says receive token. When it's been successfully redeemed, this is what it's going to look like. When it's sitting in your token wallet but has not been redeemed yet, it's just going to say that. So all you need to do now is click on the $, and you'll get this message, redeem your token. And then all you do is click redeem token. We'll give it a second. Token redeemed successfully. So now it'll read redeeming for a while. Eventually it'll refresh itself and it'll say redeem successful, but it's going to redeem that token. Now what it's doing is, so it was sitting inside of the token wallet. And when it's inside the token wallet, it's basically a blockchain that's within the smart contract, within the PureWallet, and that holds the hash that belongs to the original transaction when the sender wallet first put that token into the Ethereum wallet. There was a hash that was created, which now needs to be written on the Ethereum blockchain, which is out there on the internet. So it's reading redeeming because that's exactly what it's doing right now. It takes a little while for the Ethereum blockchain to process that. So when that does happen, it'll say redeem successful, and you'll see the balance change here minus gas fees. So we'll give so you can see now it says redeem successful, and it's showing the new balance up here. It changed from what it was before. And what I can probably do is,
guys, that's basically it. That's the wallet right there. That's the beta version, the first version that they put out, so the Android folks can play with it. If you have an iPhone, oops, sorry, no, I'm kidding. You know how you iPhone folks are. iOS always takes forever to do anything. So who knows when your version gonna come out? But I'm glad I'm Android, baby. Android, let's go. So I got my Android. I'm up. But on the real, guys, we are pretty excited. A 4-week-old project already brought out a utility. And one thing that's huge about Metamonkey is that they are not trying to do what's already been done. Okay, what's the point of all these projects coming out with the same utilities over and over again. Again, and they're promising you a swap. They're promising you this, they're promising that. No, Metamonkey is trying to go outside of crypto. This wallet is not going to be just focusing on crypto. It's going to be online, offline, crypto, and outside of crypto. If you want to find out more about this project, come to the Twitter Spaces. Go to the YouTube folks that are talking about this project. Go to join our Telegram. Go to our website. It's Metamonkey.ai. META monkey.ai. That's the website, and that'll give you the links to everywhere else you need to go. Get into this project, guys, and do your own research and see what's going on. When the market turns around, those who already put themselves in the right project, that's what's going to make it. So, guys, like I said, please subscribe, like, and share this video. And I'll see you on the next show. All right. Thank you.